Cascais ground, Charlie Sierra Alpha Uniform Juliet, holding point 35, ready for departure.
Uniform Juliet, hold short of runway, contact tower 120.3.
Hold short, contact tower 120.3, Charlie Uniform Juliet. Cascais Tower, muito bom dia, Charlie Sierra Alpha Uniform Juliet.
Squawk 08, maintain guinch, please. Maintaining guinch, Squawk 08. Charlie Juliet, bom dia, hold position, please.
Holding position, Charlie Uniform Juliet.
Charlie Juliet, behind the aircraft on final line up and wait behind.
Behind the aircraft on final lineup and wait behind, Charlie Uniform Juliet. Okay, you can get going.
There we go, landing lights on. Picture full reach, gravity is off. S&P is on the green. Transponder on alt.
Cascais Tower, Air Scala 13 on left hand downwind, runway 35 for touch and go.
There's another Irish
Cleared
guy.
on the left.
India Bravo's on the runway, but they should be clear just now. Okay, and clear.
Uniform Juliet, wind 010 at 15, guessing 20, runway 35, clear for takeoff. Report leaving the shoreline.
Runway 35 clear for takeoff, and we'll go, Charlie Uniform Juliet.
Okay, 345 checked. 1700. Ready?
24.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brakes released.
So I'll do an ident just to check.
Full power, RPM is checked. Airspeed is alive.
Check. Okay, T's and P's are in the green. Rotate.
Brakes applied.
Check.
Positive rates. Transitioning 70 knots. Correcting for crosswind from the right.
Check. Hey, you have the traffic in sight?
Hey, firm.
Okay.
Roller coaster ride.
Hey, 500 feet.
500 feet. Flaps up. Landing lights off.
Check.
Maintaining 70 knots until 400.
Okay.
100 to level off.
Check. And clear right.
Cleared. And it's smooth up here already.
Yep. For now.
Point 1,500 feet, request auto rotation over the field, Chicago 5.
Copy that. Flight to Bravo Point, pay attention traffic over Guinch and Cabo House.
Copy information, we will fly direct to Bravo Point, maintaining 1,500 feet, Chicago 5.
Cascais, Charlie Uniform Juliet, ready past shoreline, 1,000 feet.
Charlie Uniform Juliet, may change to approach decimal 1 at them as well.
Changing to approach 119.1, tail log out, Charlie Uniform Juliet. Luge approach, wind 1 dia, Charlie Sierra Alpha Uniform Juliet.
Uniform Juliet 1 dia, header contact, KNH 1025, fly route and profile. Control 136.025, 1 dia.
136.025, muito obrigado, travão, vai ser eu.
Oil pressure is in the green.
Yep.
1,700.
Sierra Tango, informações para Cascais.
Good, back to both.
Sierra
And right magneto is good, back to both. RP, dropping RPM. Engine parameters in the green arc, idle check. 600 RPM stable, back to 1,000, throttle friction lock is adjusted 10 degrees for takeoff, and magnetos on both, confirm?
Confirm.
Okay.
Okay, 1315.
Charlie, uniforme Juliet, copiado. Pista 29, livre então para a linha reticular. Charlie, uniforme Juliet, Portimão, copiado. Pista livre para descolar.
Okay, engine parameters are all in the green, and could you see 290 is set, and we are taking off. Ready?
Confirm.
Power is set.
Checks. Airspeed alive.
Check. Rotating. That was close. Okay, and braking by the left.
Clear.
Check.
Take off at 1320.
Check. And now I'm transitioning to 90 knot climb. I'll put a direct to Alpha Beta.
Expect VOR Zulu approach. Runway in use 10.
We'll see.
Transition level.
Charles Sierra, uniforme Juliet, boa tarde, identified. QNH 1023. Roger, expect ILS approach runway 28, climb to 3,000 feet.
Okay, so I'll make an approach briefing for ILS runway 28 at Faro, Portugal. We will leave the nav 8 on radial 115 outbound until 8.0 DME from the VOR, and then it will be a left turn to intercept final approach course 284, and light slope starts at 60 ME from India Fox localizer.
Check.
Deze Alpha Uniform Juliet FM, clear the ILS approach runway 2.
Okay, 284.
Ryanair 2 Zulu Uniform, continue descent altitude 3,000 feet, QNH 1023.
Send altitude
284 set.
1023, Ryanair 2 Zulu uniform.
Yep.
And identified, continuing turn 314 to intercept. Okay, glide slope captured, starting descent.
Our ground speed's about 90. We'll keep about 100 knot ground speed. So about 500 feet per minute, perfect. One under to minimum.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue. Okay, 70 knots, there we go.
About approach Charlie from Juliet, now braking left, heading 180, climbing 2,000 feet, Charlie from Juliet.
Uniforme Juliet, right.
Yeah, it's just here.
Yep.
Uniform Juliet in sight, orbit in front of the tower, by the right.
Okay, orbiting by the right in front of the tower, Charlie from Juliet. 190 level off.
Orbit off.
Zero 750.
1075, right now to Zulu uniform, again.
And Duke 01 request descent.
And Delta Kilo Echo 01, continue addition altitude 3000 feet, clear at George Zulu runway 10.
Okay, and now maintaining 2,000 feet, and we'll proceed outbound radio 115 from Victor Fox Alpha for the procedure. Charlie from Juliet, thanks.
Traffic copies.
Wait for final approach course, sets, turning left, 315.
Check. Localizer is alive.
Checks.
Faro approach, Charlie Uniform Juliet now established on the ILS runway 28. After reaching minimums, we request a low approach, and then after that, we request climb 2,000 feet outbound on the radio 277 from Victor Fox Alpha for VOR Zulu, if possible.
Charlie from Juliet approved. Wind 190, 5 knots, runway 28, clear low pass. After low pass 2,000 feet, outbound on the radio for a VOR Zulu procedure.
Victor Foxtrot Alpha identified, nav 1.
Thank you.
Bye. In from, everything looks good. CDI alive.
Check.
Charlie from Juliet, Rajan, clear VOR Zulu runway 10, next report inbound 7 miles, establish on final leaving 2000.
Okay, you have control.
Charlie from Juliet, wind 2305 knots, runway 10, clear low pass. After low pass, climb low level, shoreline, climb low level, turn right and fly along the coastline to Portimao.
4 DME on profile. 3 DME perfectly on profile. 2 DME 50 above. Minimum.
Continue. Was it by the right?
Yep.